Jadi teman-teman sekalian, kenapa 5 nama sampai dengan saat sekarang ini tidak dibuka? Saya perlu jelaskan rekan-rekan sekalian bahwa berkaitan dengan 5 nama ini, kenapa memang sampai dengan detik ini kami tidak akan buka dan memang tidak akan kami buka dulu. Satu, kami menghormati karena masing-masing pelatih kepala itu punya privasi, ya, punya privasi. Yang kedua, juga para pelatih ini masih berada di klub dan masih berada di timnas suatu negara. Nggak mungkin kami akan membuka, ya. Yang kedua, berkaitan dengan kelima pelatih ini, ya, kami Coach Alexander bersama-sama dengan exco yang ditunjuk, salah satunya mungkin saya, diminta untuk melakukan interview, ya, diminta untuk melakukan interview dan akan kami lakukan, ya, mungkin dalam minggu-minggu depan, dan tentu dari 5 nama itu pasti akan kita pilih yang sangat terbaik, ya, yang sangat terbaik. Mudah-mudahan kelima nama ini juga tidak mengalami kendala ketika mungkin di antara 5 kita pilih ternyata ada problem. Kita kan juga tidak tahu. Ya, sekali lagi kami mohon teman-teman semuanya untuk bersabar, ya, karena tidak kami ingin mendapatkan pelatih sesuai dengan apa yang menjadi karakter pemain-pemain kita dan bisa membawa timnas kita itu berprestasi ke depan. Ya, saya kira itu dari saya. Cukup ya?
Lanjut, terakhir.
Pak Marji,
Ya.
diksi terbaik itu kan sesuatu yang ambigu. Jadi yang mau dipilih PSSI itu adalah calon pelatih dengan nilai bayaran yang murah, ataukah calon pelatih yang menguasai betul taktikal permainan pemain Indonesia. Itu yang mungkin perlu Pak Marji atau PSSI tegaskan ke kami. Makasih.
Terima kasih. Jadi, apa? Jadi, apa yang Mas apa namanya? Mas Iksan tanyakan, semua sudah ada dalam buku kami. Ya, sudah ada dalam catatan kami. Karena di catatan kami itu sudah ada list apa yang ada di situ. Sehingga kalau ditanya soal itu tunggu saja nanti. Kami berusaha, ya, PSSI selalu memberikan yang baik, yang terbaik. Cukup ya? Ya.
Ya, selamat
Terakhir.
sore Bapak-Bapak, izin Niar dari RRI. Maybe for first question for Mr. Alex Azures. In your point of opinion as a technical director, maybe you can explain the quality of Coach Nova has. So now the executive committee has promoted him to be a head coach for the under 20 coach. Maybe you can explain from your point of view as a technical director. And pertanyaan kedua mungkin buat Coach Nova. Coach Nova ini kan sebenarnya orang lama di sepak bola Indonesia, mulai dari pemain sampai kemudian jadi asisten pelatih dan sekarang seorang pelatih. Tapi mungkin alasan personalnya Coach, boleh tahu apa alasannya akhirnya mau menerima level up begitu sekarang naik dari U17 ke pelatih timnas U20. Terima kasih Coach.
Thank you for your question. So there are a couple of competencies where you are considering to appoint on the 20 national team coach. First of all, you want to have somebody who knows already very well the Indonesian football landscaping with elite youth. So Nova has a clear track record working with the best talented players from the 2008 generation, which is also going through the next generation of under 20. So this is a big advantage. He knows already how the football landscaping is. He knows already where the talents are. He has also good relationships with the clubs itself. So that makes it also easier to continue the development of the players in and outside the national team. Secondly, you're looking for leadership capabilities. Then when the last period, I had a lot of conversations with Nova and also a lot of observations. It's clearly to see that his leadership within the players, within the squad, as well with the staff, it's very obvious. He can really inspire players. He can really inspire staff to go all in the same direction, to speak the same language, and to stick together with one purpose, one goal. I think this is one of his strongest points also. And then also is that what you're looking for is ambition. So ambition means that the coach is driven by internal motivation to give him the best for Indonesia, to give the best for Indonesian talent, to raise up the bar. And Nova is very driven, very ambitious, always ask questions, always suggesting ideas, taking initiative, is very proactive, takes the lead. So that are a little bit in a nutshell how the competency is being done. And I think if you compare and you bring all the evidence together, also working already with PSSI, working already with the national teams, he knows very well what it means to be national team coach. It's completely different than a club coach. A club coach is a different context than national team coach. So yeah, very happy to have to work with a coach like Nova, and also not only as a coach, but also as a person who is very open-minded, very driven, very ambitious, very humble. Yeah, thank you.